I mean, AI stuff's very impressive. I was looking at it in a meeting this morning. Some of the stuff that we're going to be able to do with it, it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
How cool some of this stuff is.
When even a boomer like Dave Ramsey is impressed by the power of AI, you know it's the real deal. But is it possible to make a full-time income from AI as a beginner in 2024? Yes, yes it is. With the economy going down the toilet and inflation being so high, if you've been thinking about adding another stream of income, don't look further. AI is one of the smartest ways to make a lot of money online in 2024. As a bonus, I'll tell you about my favorite AI business later in the video, so make sure you watch until then. Let's get started with the first way to make money with AI. Business number 1, resume creation services. I know, this sounds kind of boring. It's not as sexy as the next AI business on this list, but hear me out. If you're starting a business to make money, the most important thing is profit, and starting your own resume creation service definitely checks that box. Resumes have existed for a long time, and chances are they will continue to exist well into the future. The format of the resume might change as it has in the past, going from physical paper to PDFs. And maybe in the future, resumes will be stored on an electronic chip in our brain, so we can send it directly to job applications online. But the fundamental concept isn't going away anytime soon. If we do a quick search for resume on Fiverr, you can see there are a lot of people offering these types of resume services. And when you do this effectively and efficiently by adding powerful AI tools to your workflow, you can take this business to the next level and start pulling in some serious cash. Not only can you create resumes and cover letters for other people, but you can also offer resume consulting services. And all these are very high-value skills that people are willing to pay a lot of money for. But how does this actually relate to AI? Well, let me show you how you can use AI to really kickstart this business and facilitate your services. And in a few minutes, I'll tell you how you can really niche down so you can charge even more money for your services. For example, take a look at this one. This seller will edit your resume using their recruiting experience and will charge at least 354 Canadian dollars, which is about $260 USD. Here's what you need to do. You can just follow along with me. Open up ChatGPT because we're about to use it to write a resume better than most people out there. ChatGPT uses NLP, natural language processing, to learn and train itself on how to write the best possible resume. So, essentially, we can prompt ChatGPT to help us write a resume, given a bunch of information, and that information is going to be the person's current resume, what type of job they are applying for, and other important information like that. So, you can start by typing something like this. I'd like you to help me write an effective resume. Please tell me what information you need from me. And as soon as you hit enter, ChatGPT will tell you that you need to enter in the contact information, a resume objective or summary, work experience, education, skills, achievements, projects, and publications if applicable, and a bunch of other optional stuff. So essentially, what you can do is collect this information from your clients, plug it all in, and ChatGPT will generate a great resume for you. An alternative strategy that you can use is to upload someone's current resume in PDF format to ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to give you suggestions so you can improve the existing resume without creating a new one from scratch. So, if you want to do resume consulting or editing services, then ChatGPT can really help you out and make your job a lot easier. A little disclaimer, you can't rely on ChatGPT 100% to do all the work because it's not perfect, but you can definitely use it as a really smart personal assistant that can help you get a lot more done. You can simply offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork and start getting clients from there, but you'll have to pay them a fee and you'll be entirely dependent on the platform. This is why I would recommend really making this your own business by finding your clients externally. In terms of marketing, you can create a website and social media accounts. Then you'll want to really create valuable content, post it on social media, and with that free content, you'll quickly start to generate an audience that can lead to a lot of organic sales. I would recommend using a free email marketing software such as scratch.So to get started with this so you can build an email list and follow up with your leads automatically. So as you can see, resume creation is a very high-paying skill that's going to be in demand for a long time. You can use AI to build that first draft for you or offer you suggestions, and that's going to make this a super doable business for pretty much anyone. Even if you don't have that much experience with resumes, I think you can definitely make $1,000 or more per day once you set your systems up. Now let's talk about something a bit more exciting. Business number 2, AI automation agency. There are millions of companies out there that are still doing things the old school way and missing out on all the ways that AI could improve their business. And that's where you could come in. If you're just a bit tech savvy, meaning that you know how to use existing AI tools, and can follow simple tutorials, you can make a lot of money with an AI optimization agency. Essentially, you can reach out to various companies through cold emailing or phone calls and tell them about how you can streamline their business processes using powerful AI technology. The best way to do this, in my opinion, would be to offer a completely free audit for companies so you can get more information about their business and how they operate, and then point out weaknesses in their systems. Then, simply offer to fix these weaknesses using AI. Of course, most companies wouldn't want to give you details about their business operations, so you can ask them general probing questions to get a sense of where their bottlenecks and inefficiencies might be. For example, imagine you're speaking to an old-school real estate brokerage that still runs like it's the 80s. You ask them how they currently organize their schedule for meeting with buyers and sellers, and they tell you that they use a physical whiteboard in the middle of the office. You then point out all the different problems that come with using a physical whiteboard for managing everyone's schedule, such as not having access to it when away from the office, as well as all the security and reliability issues. Then, you offer to fully upgrade their scheduling system by replacing the whiteboard with a project management AI tool to make everything more efficient and secure. In this case, you could simply implement AI tools such as ClickUp or Reclaim to bring their scheduling systems to the 21st century. At this point, you can charge a flat fee for a one-off optimization or a monthly subscription where you constantly use newer and better AI tools to make their business run as smoothly as possible over the long term. What's shocking is that even though everyone knows that AI exists, very few old-school businesses actually implement these tools into their workflow, so there is a massive amount of demand for anyone who can offer an AI optimization service. So if you have any interest in AI and like making money, this is a great business to start in 2024. Even if you're not super tech savvy, you could probably learn how to use a few simple general AI tools that almost any business could benefit from, and then charge them something like $10,000 for this service. This might sound like a lot of money to people like you and me, but for a successful business that gets even a 2% improvement from your services, it will be 100% worth it. The only downside with this business is that it's hard to scale and requires constant effort, since you'll always have to actively look for new customers and manage the services you provide for your existing customers. But if you have lots of energy and time and enough money to buy basic subscriptions for some AI tools, starting an AI optimization business could be a great business for you, and your business could potentially reach $1,000 per day in profit by the end of the year. Another way to make money using AI is by business number 3, social media management business. In case you've never heard about this business before, let me give you a simple overview. A social media management business or agency is a business where you provide content creation and management services to influencers and companies. For example, you could be working with a small YouTuber and offer them a content repurposing service, where your team will take their long videos and chop them up and turn them into short reels that they can post on TikTok. Or you could be working with a large media company where you offer many different services, such as managing their brand deals, repurposing their content, editing their videos, and even helping them with their growth strategy. Over the last few years, with all the new AI tools that popped up seemingly out of nowhere, it's gotten much easier to manage social media for yourself or for your clients. And if you have good marketing skills, which you should if you plan to start this business, it's possible to turn this into a 6, 7, or even 8-figure business. For pretty much every social media platform that you can think of, there are already AI tools that you can use to streamline content creation and management. For YouTube, you can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. You can also use Taplio, which is this AI software that can brainstorm and write content specifically for LinkedIn. With all these powerful and affordable AI tools, you just need to start finding clients and offering them your services, and you can be set up and profitable in just a couple months. Because this is a service-based business, your ongoing expenses and startup costs will both be very low. And if you can get just 15 clients paying $2,000 per month, that's already $1,000 a day. You could do all the work yourself, or you could hire a VA on Fiverr to help you out. But either way, there's a lot of money to be made with this business. This brings me to my favorite AI business that you could start in 2024. Business number 4, affiliate marketing blog using AI. This is my favorite way to make money using AI, and you're about to find out why. I've been going on and on about affiliate marketing for a while now, so I'm sure most of you already know what it is. But in case you don't, affiliate marketing is simply a business model where you promote other people's products or services through your unique affiliate link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you'll get paid a commission. Now, just a few years ago, starting a blog required a lot of work, but now there are tools that actually allow you to build websites using AI, as well as write content for your blog or website. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a few months now, but I recently found out that I could have been making money much sooner if I just incorporated AI tools into my workflow. You see, there are tools such as Copy AI and InVideo that can speed up the content creation process by literally 100 times. What I would recommend is creating a website using a website builder such as Bluehost. Once you have your website started, you can use AI tools to help you come up with ideas for your blog. You can simply ask ChatGPT to generate article ideas for your website based on your interests. For example, if you're interested in software, you can write an article about the 5 best AI voice generators in 2024 and embed affiliate links to each of them within your blog post. Of course, you'll want to revise whatever ChatGPT generates and add in your own information, but you get the point. Using AI to help you generate content is going to be life-changing. So now, more than ever before, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to pump out 5 to 10 different articles per day using AI. And with affiliate marketing websites, it really is about consistency and volume. The more consistent, good quality articles you can put out for a long time, the better. As you get more advanced, you can optimize using AI tools that can help you with SEO and AI image creation, such as ScaleNut and Midjourney. The truth is that with affiliate marketing, you're not going to start making big money right away unless you already have some sort of following or email list. But like I said earlier, if you do this for a couple years and you do it correctly, using AI tools to help you, you will have yourself a money printing machine. Some examples of affiliate marketing websites that absolutely print money are NerdWallet, Tom's Guide, which does a lot of tech reviews, and Investing Simple, which does a lot of finance stuff. The great thing about affiliate marketing using these AI tools is that you don't have to hire any employees, and you also don't have to work with any customers or clients. Once you set up your system, all you have to focus on is creating content that drives traffic to your affiliate links, and your automated system will take care of the rest. Unfortunately, most people are doing affiliate marketing the wrong way. They learned outdated methods that don't work in 2024, such as copy-pasting their affiliate links all over social media or spamming family and friends. This doesn't work. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, using an automated system, click the link in the description and I'll send you my completely free beginner's guide. It's basically a free course, and I'll tell you exactly how I was able to set up an automated affiliate marketing business that makes me thousands of dollars per month and how you can do the same. Now, let's move on to a business model, which is a very niche variation of a business model that I mentioned earlier. Business number 5. AI tweets and LinkedIn posts for entrepreneurs and business owners. As more and more business owners and entrepreneurs get on social media, the demand for people who can generate high-quality content for their social media will go through the roof. We all talk about YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, but Twitter and LinkedIn aren't being talked about enough. Most people don't know how to properly optimize a following on these platforms, which is great for you because once you learn these skills, you'll have way less competition. There are so many tools out there that use AI to help you write posts. For example, of course, there's ChatGPT that can write content for you, but there are also more specialized writing tools, such as Phrase. Essentially, what you could do is reach out to different business owners, tell them about the power of LinkedIn and Twitter, and offer them a solution to help them build their reputation on these platforms. I can pretty much guarantee that more than 90% of the people that you're going to contact won't have optimized accounts on these platforms. They're probably not posting consistently, and even if they are, they're probably not writing engaging content that also ranks in SEO. So there really is a lot that you can offer for these companies. I'm super bullish about this AI business because there are thousands of digital entrepreneurs I see every day who don't even have a page on LinkedIn or Twitter. They're leaving so much money on the table because they could just hire someone like you to repurpose their content from other platforms and post it on these platforms. This can lead to a separate and completely organic following on these platforms that can grow your income overall. So if you can tap into this market, I guarantee you there's going to be so many people that can use your services. If you build up a clientele of 5 to 10 people and charge them $1,000 per month, that's already $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And once you hit these numbers, it's just a matter of time before you start making over $1,000 per day. I really mean this when I say it. Every single AI business that I mentioned in this video has the potential to turn into a massively profitable business that can help you quit your job, or even retire early. My personal favorite business model is called high-ticket affiliate marketing because it's already made me thousands of dollars within just a few months of starting. If that sounds interesting, you can click the link in the description to learn more.